Good afternoon, this is Nick with Williams Sewer Line Inspectors performing a video inspection for 2526 Community Avenue in Monrovia. We have underneath a little concrete cap in the driveway a sewer access. Out there's towards Community Avenue. There's the garage and towards the front door over there. Our first turn sends us directly out towards the street, perpendicular to the front of the house. And we're starting out into a plastic pipe material. Plastic is the best pipe currently available for sewer lines. It doesn't rust or erode. It does become brittle over years, but it's expected to take about 200 years for it to become too brittle to continue working well. When it's installed correctly, a plastic pipe won't allow for any roots to intrude into the system. Also, plastic is flexible, so it's very resistant to damage, especially from earthquakes. We do have some little dents in the bottom of the plastic pipe. That's an indicator, something like that. It's an indicator that the pipe is moving through a material or perhaps rocks or some other hard object exterior to the pipe. Here we end with the plastic pipe. It looks like we're switching over to a fiberglass liner. This is a method of repair. Let me just make sure here. It looks to be a fiberglass liner. A fiberglass liner is a method of repair which doesn't involve digging up the existing sewer pipe in order to upgrade it. This is an older repair, so it's not looking quite as clean as it would look, making it a little harder to identify. But it appears to be a fiberglass insert, probably going into an existing clay pipe. Another option is that this might be a white plastic pipe installed underneath the street. It's just a little bit too dirty to get a very, very clear view of it. In either case, it looks to be doing very well at this time. I don't see any defects which would require a replacement or repair for that section of pipe. Looks a little bit more like plastic than fiberglass now that we see the end of it. Here we go to a clay pipe. And this is the last section of pipe before we attach to the connection to the city sewer. And while clay will typically have minor defects such as smaller cracking or minor shifting, this clay pipe looks to be fairly well aligned, and it definitely appears to be functional with less than usual root intrusions. So overall, very good system. No obvious need for a repair or change at this time. It looks to be doing well. Again, this is the inspection which covers the pipe exterior to the house. It's that pipe known as the main sewer line, which travels from the exterior of the house, from this cleanout, in fact, out to the connection to the city sewer, which is what we're looking at here. You can see the flow of water traveling from other properties in the bottom of the pipe there. Please see the written report for all of the final findings and recommendations. Again, this is Nick with Williams Sewer Line Inspectors. Thank you very much, and have a great day.